Hi guys, so today we're going to present to you how to transfer files from Linux to Windows as vice versa. So let's get started. From the start menu, search Windows Defender Firewall. Then click Advanced Settings. Then look for Windows Defender Firewall Properties. Then turn off domain profile and private profile. Then punta naman tayo sa network discoverable. Dito i-turn on natin yung file and printing sharing. Just click the file explorer. Then go to networks. Click OK. Then click to change as shortcut. Then open network and sharing center. Then change advanced sharing settings. Then turn on network discovery as well as turn on file and printer sharings.
Ngayon gagawa kami ng folder na share sa Linux operating system. Right click, new folder. So, nire-name ko lang siya sa name ng section namin, din group number. Then lalagyan ko lang siya ng laman yung folder. Lagyan ko lang siya ng laman ng mga folder. Then yung nilagay kong name lang is yung mga sa surname ng mga ka-group ko. Pagtapos makagawa ng folder, right click, then properties. Tapos sa sharing tab, click lang yung share. Tapos sa may drop down menu, dito mamimili ng kung saan mo i-share yung folder. Click lang yung everyone. Click yung add button. And sa permission level, i-select lang yung red. Tapos click lang yung share and done.
Click advanced sharing, check share this folder, tapos click permissions para ma-access yung content, tapos full control para ma-enable yung users na ma-read and change and edit. Then, okay. Tapos, apply. Then, okay.
So, after ma-setup yung network file sharing sa Windows, so i-check naman natin sa Linux operating system yung folder na share. First is right-click lang yung Finder. Then, click to connect to server. Then, type lang natin yung IP address ng Windows, which is 192.168.100.34. Then click then click connect. Talabas yung login sa screen. So enter lang natin yung username at password ng Windows, which is the username is BSIT and password is 1234. Then click connect. Yan, click yung connect. Then, choose natin yung user click OK button. Then, as you can see, makikita natin yung user which is the BSIT. Then, punta lang tayo sa desktop. Kasi dun po yung directory ng folder na sinare natin. As you can see, successful na i-share yung folder na create sa Windows. Then, to transfer file from Linux to Windows, nag-create lang ako ng file under the shared folder. Then, iti-check sa Windows kung papasok ito. Yan. So, as you can see, successful na na-share yung folder na create sa Linux. That's it. Thank you for watching.